What is up, you guys? Stu here with Bowen Customs. Behind me, I have a 2025 Ford F350 crew cab long bed. This is a 6.7 diesel, platinum, awesome truck. We have our flatbed with 18-inch garage on the back here. This is destined for an Alaskan Flatbed Camper. Really, really awesome setup. In particular, this flatbed is what we call our drop height, meaning that it is slightly lower than our regular height flatbeds. This drop height flatbed, the surface is about 6 inches higher than your factory truck bed, than the floor of your factory truck bed. The regular height flatbed would be about 9 inches higher than your factory floor. In particular, on the drop height flatbeds, we do the fuel fill in the lower box right here. So it's kind of out of the way. Aesthetically, you don't see it when the door's closed. It's also behind a locking door, so you don't have to worry about anybody stealing your fuel or anything. DOT lights on the rear, taillight housings. These are your backup sensors, backup camera, and the license plate panel underneath here. We can relocate that Ford Pro Power. That's your 110 volt AC power. Same with the 7-pin. No drawer on the drop height flatbeds. There's no room underneath to do the drawer, but everything is all lockable, key to like, completely waterproof, tons of storage, everything you'd come to know, love, and expect from Bowen Customs. Big garage here, which you just have a ton of room in. So if you have any questions or you're thinking about doing a flatbed camper on your truck, give us a call, shoot us an email. Our email is info, that's info, @bowencustoms.com. Thanks, guys.